Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 better ways to say interesting in English.
Number 1, fascinating. It means extremely interesting, captures your imagination completely. Example, the documentary about deep-sea creatures was absolutely fascinating. Number 2, intriguing. It means arousing curiosity, has an element of mystery. Example, this intriguing new recipe makes me want to try cooking it tonight.
Number 3, captivating. It means extremely interesting, holds your attention completely. Example, the speaker's captivating storytelling kept the entire audience mesmerized. Number 4, engrossing. It means so interesting it captures all your attention. Example, I couldn't stop reading. The book was completely engrossing. Number 5, riveting. It means so captivating that you can't look away or stop listening. Example, the courtroom drama was riveting. I didn't look at my phone once. Number 6, compelling. It means invoking interest or attention in a powerful, irresistible way. Example, she made a compelling argument that convinced everyone in the room. Number 7, enthralling. It means holding your attention completely, especially for performances. Example, the magician's enthralling show had the children wide-eyed with wonder. Number 8, stimulating. It means getting you thinking, arousing mental activity or enthusiasm. Example, we had a stimulating discussion about the future of AI in education. Number 9, absorbing. It means capable of arousing and holding your attention fully. Example, the puzzle game was so absorbing that I lost track of time. Number 10, thought-provoking. It means making you think deeply about important ideas. Example, the professor's thought-provoking lecture challenged everything we believed. That's it for today's lesson. Now you have 10 better ways to say interesting. Subscribe for more English words, and I'll see you in the next video.